Class in lecture number 9th, page number 20 and chapter number 3. Today we will discuss about the future tense. Future tense means the coming time, the time that is yet to come. वो टाइम जो अभी आने वाला है लेकिन हम उसके बारे में अभी बात कर रहे हैं. All of you know that we are discussing the informative tenses. Okay, in future tense we also give the information about ourselves and anyone else, and we also show the possessions about the things, and we also point out the things. Okay, now we will observe the following sentences. First one is Emma will be a tall slim girl. Now in the future tense we are giving the information about Emma कि Emma जो है tall और slim girl होगी. Mr. Robot will be a famous doctor. In this sentence we are giving the information about Mr. Robot in the coming tense, in the future time. Now you can check all the above sentences are in the future tense. All the sentences above are in the future tense. The verb used in them are will be और shall be. Two verb जो हैं be family के इसमें use हुए हैं, will be and the next one is shall be. These two verbs are the two forms of the verb be in the future tense. Remember, shall be is used with I and we. फर्स्ट पर्सन्स के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं, शैल बी, एंड विद ऑल द अदर सब्जेक्ट्स वी यूज़ विल बी. सेकंड और थर्ड जो पर्सन है उनके साथ, और जो दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं चाहे वो सिंगुलर हैं चाहे वो प्लूरल हैं, वी यूज़ विद देम विल बी. Now our next task is about the negative form. First of all, we have read about the affirmative sentences in which we affirm any action, happening or fact. And when we negate any action, fact or happening, that is negative form. How can we change into negative form affirmative sentence? Read now. In order to change a positive sentence of a future tense into a negative form, we insert not after will or shall of the sentence. फ्यूचर टेंस के सेंटेंसेस को नेगेटिव में चेंज करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसके फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फर्स्ट वर्ब के बाद हम क्या लगाते हैं, नॉट लगाते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, व्हेन वी हैव द टू और मोर देन टू verb or helping verb in any sentence, after the first helping verb we write the not, and then we write the second or the remaining helping verbs of the sentence. Like, see, Emma will, the first helping verb, and then not, and the second one is a tall slim girl. Mr. Robot will not be a famous doctor. I shall, first helping verb, then second not, and then the second helping verb. I shall not be thankful to you for your help. Next interrogative form comes. In order to change a positive sentence of a future tense into its interrogative form, we shift will or shall to the beginning of the sentence, and the full stop at the end of a sentence is replaced by the question mark. as हम affirmative sentence को इंट्रोक्टिव में चेंज करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, इसका जो फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब है उसको फर्स्ट में लगा देते हैं, एक पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब को फर्स्ट पे लगा देते हैं, और जो सेकंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो सब्जेक्ट के फ़ौरन बाद लगाते हैं. लाइक सी द एग्जांपल, विल फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन आवर सब्जेक्ट Emma, and then the second helping verb of the sentence, will Emma be a tall slim girl, and at the end we put the question mark. Will Mr. Robot, first helping verb, then subject, and then the second helping verb of a famous doctor, and at the end question mark. Shall I be thankful to you for your help, and at the end question mark. Then our last part of the sentence is negative or we are negating anything and asking the question about the sentence or about anything. That is the negative or interrogative form of a sentence. In order to change a positive sentence of a future tense into its negative interrogative form, its negative form is changed into the interrogative form, and the full stop at the end is replaced by a question mark. Let's see the examples. Will Emma not be a tall, slim girl? Now we have the two helping verbs in the sentence. First helping verb in the starting, and then subject, and right after the subject we are writing not, and then our second verb of the sentence. And same as the remaining sentences, will, then subject, and then our not, then our second helping verb, a famous doctor, then the remaining sentence. Okay, 7th class, next our exercise comes. Test yourself. Our first question is, what is meant by the present time? The division of time going on now, time का वो हिस्सा जो अभी चल रहा है, that is called the present time. And second one, what is meant by the past time? The division of time that has gone by. Time का वो हिस्सा जो गुजर चुका है, that we have spent, जो हम गुजार चुके हैं, that is called the past time. And then third one, what is meant by the future time? The division of time that is yet to come. Time का वो हिस्सा जो अभी आने वाला है, जिसके बारे में हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं, that is called the future time. Okay, question number 4. How many forms are there of a sentence? Name them. एक सेंटेंस की कितनी फॉर्म्स हो सकती हैं, उनके नेम लिखेंगे. There are 4 forms of a sentence. First one is affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative or interrogative both. Then our question number 5. What is meant by tense? Name the 3 main tenses. The tense means stressed. The tense of a verb is its form that indicates time, continuance and completeness. 3 tenses are there: present, past and future. टेंस मीन्स फैला हुआ, और जो वर्ब का टेंस का जो वर्ब है, दैट डिसाइड्स अबाउट द टाइम, कंटिन्यूंस एंड कंप्लीटनेस, कि कौन सा टाइम चल रहा है, वेदर इट इज़ पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर, इसमें कंटिन्यूंस है या नहीं, कंटिन्यू है या कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एंड देन कंप्लीटनेस इसमें कितनी है और कंटिन्यूंस कितनी है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. 3 forms of verb be in the present tense. Be is a family, and how many forms of verb are there of its part in the present tense? Is, am and then are. Second one, be 2 forms of the verb be in the past tense, was and were. Then question number C. 2 forms of verb be in the future tense, will be and shall be. They are all the part of the be family. 7th class, next our question number becomes, observe each sentence and name its tense in the given blank. 7th class, by recognizing its verb we can easily tell about the tense, that whether it is present tense, future tense or past tense. Look, first sentence, honesty is the best policy, they say. This is the verb is now in the present time, we use it. Okay, we shall be boating in the canal on Sunday. Shall be, it is used in the future time, so this is of future tense. And what date was it yesterday, and was, it is used in the past time, so this is the past tense. Observe the following sentences. Question number C. Complete each sentence inserting am, is or are in the each blank. It means we have to write here the helping verbs of be family in the present time. I am, I के साथ क्या लगाते हैं, am ही लगाते हैं. Our English teacher, now our subject is singular, so we will write here is. You with the second person, we regard it as a singular or plural as well, but we write with it the plural verb, so you are. Our motherland, singular subject is. Next question number 5, bread and butter. 7th class, this is the phrase, and sorry, this is the idiom. ये idiom है and it means रोजी रोटी तो ईडियम के साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट। रोजी रोटी मतलब कमाने का जो ज़रिया होता है डैट इज़ सिंगुलर, वो सिंगुलर ही होता है, सो वी विल राइट विद इट सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, complete each sentence inserting was or were in each blank. First one, Mary, singular subject, so we will write with it was and his grandfather, singular subject, that's why was here, and there was plenty of flowers in the bucket, मिकदार थी, ज़्यादा नहीं थे, एक plenty मिकदार थी, singular, that's why we are inserting here was. Alexander, singular subject, was. Clear? Then our question number E comes, complete each sentence inserting will be or shall be in each sentence. We, first person, so we will write with it shall be, and it's the third person, so we will write with it will be. And how can we change into negative, sorry, interrogative? Will, first helping verb, then subject, and then our second one, ignorant of the real facts, and at the end we will put question mark. The Republic Day will be. Clear? With all the other subjects except I and we will write or we will insert will be. And see, with I, it's a first person, that's why we have